information at epson.com/ecotankmarketplace.
Earlier this week, there was a brief kerfuffle over whether the U.S. government should pay to build a whole 5G infrastructure so that China doesn't beat us to next-generation wireless networking. The chairman of the FCC had to come out and say that no, we would not nationalize 5G, but it seemed like a good time to look at whether we are in danger of being left behind. Sandeep Rangan is director of the research center NYU Wireless. I asked him first what's so exciting about 5G.
You could imagine a fairly revolutionary change in the way we communicate. Most of our communications now is email or, voice. But if you have the right bandwidth combined with the right headgears and virtual reality technology, you could imagine people interacting in very different and much more rich ways.
Yeah, and it does seem like, so far at least, there's been a lot of talk about these networks and not a ton of build-out. We're certainly not seeing billion-dollar line items in Verizon's forecasts, publicly available 2019 budgets. What is that business case, and do you think it's likely to appear?
If you look at the history of any of these generations of technology, they go through a long period of development in labs, and this has actually gone quite quickly in that period, and we're going into the period now of trials. For example, both Verizon and AT&T are having fairly extensive trials. I think the realistic time frame that we'd be thinking about is probably devices in consumers' hands in the 2020 time frame and around that period.
I feel like we just keep getting promised more bandwidth, though, and now we have bandwidth caps at home, and there's data caps here and there, and sort of pseudo unlimited. And is the technology so good that it can overcome the kind of basic physical infrastructure problems that are still creating last mile issues and data transfer issues?
In cases, 5G would allow higher bandwidth. The issue is the question of it's really how uniform you'll be able to get that bandwidth experience.
So you need a greater antenna density than, say, 4G?
Probably. Then there's other logistic issues about that in terms of acquiring sites.
And is there also just people don't want more antennas in their neighborhood, that kind of thing? I mean, I still see things pop up on Nextdoor. Nobody wants a cell tower. I mean, we're still having to have those conversations.
Yeah, definitely. And the political and real estate, acquisition issues are definitely one issue about that. It's also a lot of the other fundamental infrastructure that goes behind the cellular network.
What?
Only on the right side, not the left. The left side. Not the left side.